Okay guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here we'll be taking time to do a design of this flyer. Looking at this flyer, I want us to identify the various components here. First of all, you have the background. That is the first component we have for this design. And if you look at that background keenly, it is a gradient background, and we have been taught on how to create a gradient background. The second most important component we have here is the chef. Yeah, this lady standing here. And again, what we have are just text and shapes that we can actually come out with that. Again, if you look here, we have the logo. We don't have the logo of this lady, but we can look for any logo and just fit in there. So right away, what I have to do now is to go to my Pinterest and download a chef. Oh, it's instead giving us a shelf. We have to look for a good keyword. Yeah. Let me see a baker. Let me use a baker and see. Oh, okay. I didn't spell chef correctly. I think the correct spelling to chef is C-H-E-F, not S-H. C-H. Okay. My network here is not that good. That is why it's taking a lot of time. So this is what I finally got as chef. So right, we'll be going to remove the background of this image. I'll go to my photo room. So I have to locate where that image is. This is the image here. So click on transparent. So these are pixel working space. Another thing you have to take note of is the dimension of designs. Yeah, I don't know the dimension of that particular design. Now, how will I know the dimension? I'll click on this background tool here and navigate through these other tools. I go to from gallery. Click from gallery. So I'm going to import the design we'll be doing. That particular flyer will be designed. I want to import it and look at the size. So this is a design. I'll click OK. Then now let me remove this text. Now if you look at the top right hand corner of your pixel app, you see 3 dots vertically placed. You click on those 3 dots. You see image size. Yeah, so from here we can see the image size, right? 1083 by 1280. So I will go back here and I cancel this. I will take 1083. Okay, so this is the size used for that design. Now I'm going to import the design so that I'll be able to follow it while designing. Yeah, so this is what we'll be designing. Okay, so the first thing here is to create that background, right? So you go to your background tool, click color, you go to gradient, you click any color beneath. Yeah, so now I want to produce this color at the background. What will I do now? I'll click on this plus sign, this first bar, right? I'll click on the color tool directly beneath this first bar. Then I'll click on my picker tool. I hope you still remember the picker tool. This tool here is a color picker tool. I'll click on it. Now I'll click on this image. I want to choose the background. So I'll just place it at the background. The thick, that's a gradient color. You see that at the center it is lighter, while at the edges it is thicker. the intensity of the colors there is different. So I'll click on the thicker color. Okay, while for the lighter one I do same. I choose the one at the center. Okay, now looking at these other tools here, these gradient distribution tools, I'll click on the fourth one, this one. Okay, yeah, I think that's the background. We have come out with the background of the design. Let me just do a bit of touching there. Okay, yeah, so the next thing is to bring our chef. So I'll import the chef. Yeah, so this is our chef. Make sure that I enlarge very well. Okay, let me close this. So what's next is the next thing now is to put in those texts. So let me bring my ruler. This ruler helps in alignment. Make sure that all my elements don't go across this line. So the first thing here is call. That's the first text there, call. Only the first letter is capitalized. So I'll be using this font type. Montserrat Black. Okay, let me increase it a bit. So I will place it here. Increase this size to 100. Okay. Okay. So the next one now is 4. And make sure I bold it well. So I go to style, the style tool, and I click on bold. I use the position tool to bring it downward. Let me reduce the size a bit. Let me put it at 25. Okay. Okay. Let me take it up a bit. So the next thing here is workers, right? Workers. Okay, all the words are capitalized. So I will choose a different font type here. Let me see what font type will I choose here. Let me take this one, Potato Sans Bowl. Okay. So I'm repeating the same pattern. Okay, again we have to let me reduce it. Let me reduce the font size. Rather, let me just leave it there. So let me reduce that gap there. Okay, so I'll make sure it is well aligned. Okay, so let me check our progress and see. Yeah, we're actually progressing bit by bit. We're progressing. Okay, so what needs to be done again? Let me check. Let me just put that shape here. There's a shape here. So for this, I will increase the radius to 5. Okay. So let me choose that color. I think that's orange, right? Okay, so this is it. And what again? There's another text, another shape, sorry. So in order to form that other shape, I'll just copy this and I go to edit. This is the edit tool here. Once you copy it, this will automatically come out. Edit. I'll click on it. Then now I'll just increase. Yeah, I'll just increase the size. Let me change it to red. Okay, I think we are good to go. Okay, let me just shift them up a bit. Let me shift this and this up a bit. Okay, same with this one. Okay, yeah, so this is what we have here. So what do we have to do next? Let me just bring this. Let me shift them towards my right. Okay, so what do we have again here? Is to put in the necessary details. So I'll just pause this video and do those write-ups. Okay, so it has been done. Yeah, it's not something difficult. You can just go ahead and do it. So the next one, let me put in the other text. Okay, so we can go with this. So let me reduce the size. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so this is what we have. Gradually we are coming out with the design. So what's left here? They say job application at front desk of frozen heart or contact. So quickly let me put in that. Okay, so I'll go to my shadow. Sorry, yeah, shadow. I put the shadow white. Use a white shadow here. Increase the blur radius. Yeah. So click here and try to reduce and see. So I'll go to anyway, let me just do away with this. Yeah, sorry for the errors. Again, click frozen. Go to opacity, reduce the opacity to 0. I go to shadow. Okay, so this is what I have here. Let me reduce the blur, reduce. Let me leave it at 20. Then I'll just send it behind this lady. Yeah, so now for the shadow, I'll use red. Okay, something like this. Yeah, I think we are good to go. So the only thing lucky here now is a logo. Can just put anything there as a logo. Now I will save this image. Click on save. So the image has been saved. Now we're going to Synapse to enhance the quality of this image. So I'll choose the image. Now if you look down here, you see last edit. Yeah, it's the edit I did lastly. The editing I did lastly. So I'll just click on last edit instead of going again to do more editing. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Click OK and I save. So let us view how it looks like. Yeah, so we have successfully realized the design of this. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.